In this video, I'll detail how to reset iPad Air to default or to factory settings. This is different from resetting the iPad Air without deleting all its data. The steps here will erase all applications you have on your iPad Air, and it will also delete all your photos, your contacts, and all saved information on your iPad. So all this will be erased and they will all be deleted. So if you want to back up your iPad Air, make sure you back up your iPad to the cloud first before you go ahead to erase your iPad Air following the steps I'm about to share with you in this video. So if I don't know this video, you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now the first thing to do is just click on the settings icon on your iPad Air. Now while on the settings page, go to your iCloud account and make sure you signed out first. Otherwise, you will be prompted to type in your iCloud password before you can use the iPad again. And if you are sending this to someone else, the person will not be able to use the iPad. So go ahead and sign out. After signing out, scroll down and click on General. Once you selected General, scroll down until you get to Reset, tap Reset. Then under the Reset shows Erase all content and settings and click on that. Then you should see a pod that says Erase iPad. This will delete all media and data and reset all settings. Tap Erase. Then you should see a pod that says, are you sure you want to continue? All media, data, and settings will be erased. This cannot be undone. Then go ahead and tap Erase. Then hang on. Instantly, you should see the iPad trying to erase. And once the process is completed, you will be prompted to set up your iPad from the scratch. So this is how you can easily reset iPad Air to default settings or factory settings. After this, just go ahead, key in your Apple ID, and then set up your new iPad. If you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.